So how do I want to see myself and my practice, and how do I want to represent myself moving forward? I'm Peter Geldner. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon with an office in Chicago and also one in Oakbrook, Illinois. You have to be able to look at all of this and realize I can't do everything, but here are the things that I can really do much better, and that is my goal. So I'm looking at different avenues, adding different things to my practice to enhance our success. When I was introduced to Terri and Izhak, I was really amazed and intrigued because they took a very blunt but a very comprehensive look at what makes a plastic surgery practice work. And she really brings a very good perspective. She can look at what you're doing, try to figure out what are your strengths and how do you play to those strengths and how do you move forward. This is my first session at 4S. But those of us who come to this meeting are a self-selected group. We're not the average practice. We're not the average person. We are those who wish to excel. We want to take what we do really well and get better. But there's a lot that can be gleaned from this, and they provide you with the methods to be able to look at those factors in your practice to try and get you to succeed.